Hello everyone, my name is Jay Hasina Patil. Today is the 13th December 2022. Today I learn about the difference between functional programming and OOPS. OOPS means object oriented programming. Let's see the difference between both of them. First, functional programming. In functional programming, the programming paradigm emphasizes on the use of function where each function performs a specific task. In OOPS, there is the program paradigm is based on the object-oriented programming. That is, the class are used where the instance of object are created. In functional programming, there is the fundamental element used are variables and functions. The data in the functions are immutable. In other way, in OOPS, there is the fundamental element used are the objects and the method, and the data used are the mutable data. Then in functional programming, there is the importance is not given to the data, but the importance is given to the function. But in OOPS, there is the importance is given to the data rather than the procedure. In functional programming, there is the follow the declarative programming model. In OOPS, that follow the imperative programming models. In functional programming, there is the uses of recursion for the iteration. But in OOPS condition, in OOPS, there is the uses loops for the iteration. Then in functional programming, there is the statement in this programming that in this programming paradigm does not need to any follow for the particular order while execution. But in OOPS condition, there is the statement in this programming that is the paradigm needs to follow the some order. That means they execute the program in order. In functional programming, there is the does not have any access specifier. But in OOPS, in this there are provide access specifier. That is the basically three types. First one is the public, second is the private, and third one is the protected. In functional programming, there is the to add new data and function is not so easy. But in other hand, in OOPS, there is the add some new data and function that is so easy. In functional programming, there is no data hiding is possible. But in OOPS, there is the data hiding is possible. That's why OOPS is a more beneficial rather than the functional programming. This is all of the difference between the functional programming and OOPS. Thank you.